In this video, I'm going to highlight how to grow a small online business. And these are just some tips, tricks, tools that you can use to enhance the business you already have started, or if you'd like to grow your small business from scratch, starting a new category, new topic, whatever the case. Maybe this is your business right now. It's just fledgling, it's just starting out, and you're wondering what are some things that I can focus on that will add value and grow my business. Well, let's focus on this point number one. You want to develop skills, you want to develop the knowledge that's going to help your business to grow. Well, what you want to do is determine if you have a business people are looking for, first and foremost. And Google is your friend. What questions are people asking about my business? Whether it's fitness, wealth, whether it's keto diet, beauty, all different topics. Maybe you even have a brick and mortar store. These tips are valuable for those as well. So become an authority in your field. We're not saying that you have to know and master every ounce of information out there, but pick a skill, become knowledgeable at it, and you can teach it to those who know less than you. Number two, create content. Content is king. We want to focus on quality content, not just quantity, just piling out a lot of information. And if we keep that in mind, the money will come later. We want to give value to our potential customers and our existing customers. And eventually people will pay you for your skills. And you notice right here, I put skunk story, interesting story about that, paying you for your skills. The skunk story is a gentleman was having trouble with this pesky skunk getting under his basement crawl space and kept spraying, and he kept smelling this foul odor in his house, and he knew that a skunk lived down there. He couldn't get it out whatsoever. And so he called a trusty pest control guy, and he was specialized in, rodents and things like that. And this gentleman, pest control guy, he contracted his favorite tool to catch these skunks, and it was tested, it was proven, and he put it down there, and he got this skunk out within a matter of hours. He set up this trap, relocated the skunk into the woods and everything like that, and it only took him a couple hours to do it. So the homeowner says, "Man, you charged me $100 to remove that skunk?" He goes, "Oh my goodness, that's highway robbery." And you know what the pest control guy said? He goes, "Well, I can let it go if you like." He goes, No. You get the $100. You're well worth it." So he specialized in a skill. Of course, I wouldn't do it, but he specialized in a skill and he got paid for his skill. So specialize in a skill. Don't overthink this. And there's countless cooking channels out there and cooking blogs. There's gaming blogs and channels, wildlife reviews, reviewing all kinds of products. So you can find your niche if you're still looking for that space. So create quality content that people will get value from. And again, tying in offering value to stay relevant to your business. So many times you'll look at videos in particular where people are all over the place. They say that they're a fitness channel, but then they're marketing dog treats and dog accessories and all that kind of stuff. So it's not really cohesive, and people will lose, you will lose their attention after a while, because that's not what they're there for, right? So keep in mind to be as candid as possible when you're on your blogs or creating your website, and when recommending a product or a service. Do you actually use this product or service? Because that in itself will build trust with the people that are searching for you. Also, to go along with that, you want to find with products that particularly you use, maybe they're not perfect. I know I've discovered that before. Although they function well for your business, you want to make sure you highlight the pros and the cons of a product. And that's really going to build trust with your audience, with the people. So for example, I recommend quite a bit, if you're on my channel and you watch some of my videos, I'm in the digital marketing space, and I, highlight software tools and things like that to build your business. And one platform is Builderall. It's a software tool to build websites. You can build landing pages on this website. You can do e-learning. It's a list of things. Create sales funnels, create apps. I can't even begin to repeat everything that this platform does. But then again, it's not perfect. There's some things that I wish that they would do better. And one thing they also do fairly well is, if something's not working, eventually they'll work on it, they'll revise it, they'll get it right. So right now at the moment, for me, it's their customer service. I think it's lacking, to be honest. During business hours, it's fairly decent. You can get in contact via chat and things like that. But long are the days, I think, when you can actually talk to a person. To me, that's a little annoying. But even when it comes to chat and customer service with Builderall, at times I find it hard on the weekends. It's really a challenge sometimes to find people to talk to help you with your business. Maybe you're having a problem on the weekend. So be very candid with those who you're talking to about a product that you're sharing. People will really appreciate you for it. Because beware of the hype out there. So many people highlight affiliate offers and they hype them up, and there's nothing wrong with them and everything is perfect, and then you find out that it's not. So beware of the hype out there. So focus on this. If you don't take anything away from this video, take away this: make a difference in people's lives. Don't tend to know everything about every topic, but specialize in the area that you're confident in. You will continue to grow and you continue to learn. So this will become your business. You'll be well rooted and strong and tall, but you have to start somewhere. You have to start small, like that little fledgling root, and you'll continue to grow. So take care, guys. I hope you found some value in that. I'll try to put out some more content such as this that can help you grow your small business and help you in the digital marketing platform. Take care, guys, and feel free to like, subscribe, and check out some more of my videos. Take care.